Hello, my name is Abhishek Chavan and today I am going to tell you about the pharmacovigilance. Now, what is pharmacovigilance? The pharmacovigilance is a critical component of the healthcare and drug regulation, and it is the science and activities related to detection, assessment, understanding and prevention of adverse effect or any other drug related problems. The pharmacovigilance are made from two words. The first is a pharmacon, means the drug, and then vigilance means to keep watch on. This pharmacovigilance play vital role in ensuring the safety of the pharmaceutical products once they enter into the market, aiming to identify and mitigate risk associated with their use. The primary goal of pharmacovigilance is to enhance patient safety by monitoring and evaluating the safety profile of the drugs throughout their life cycle, from pre-approval clinical trials to post-marketing surveillance. This continuous process enables the identification of previously unrecognized adverse reactions, ensuring that the benefits of the drug outweigh its potential risks. Pharmacovigilance activities involves the collection and analysis of the data from various sources including healthcare professionals, patients, regulatory authorities and pharmaceutical companies. Adverse drug reactions, that is ADRs, defined as the harmful and unintended responses of medications, which serves as a key indicators in this analysis. Timely reporting and documentation of ADRs are crucial for identification of patterns, trends, and that may necessitate regulatory interventions. The key components of the pharmacovigilance includes: first one is signal detection, then risk assessment and risk management. The signal detections involves the identification of the potential safety concerns by analyzing the data from the various sources. Once a signal is detected, a comprehensive risk assessment is conducted to evaluate the seriousness and frequency of the adverse event. The risk management strategies are implemented to minimize and mitigates this risk, which may include updates to product labeling, changes in prescribing guidelines, or in extreme cases, withdrawal of these drugs from the markets. Regulatory agencies such as US Food and Drug Administration, that US FDA, overseeing the pharmacovigilance activities. They establish guidelines and regulations to ensure the systemic collection and evaluation of the safety data. Additionally, these agencies collaborate with the healthcare professionals, industry stakeholders, and public to promote the transparency and accountability in drug safety. The World Health Organization, that is WHO, has also been instrumental in advancing global pharmacovigilance efforts. Through its global individual case safety reports, that is ICSRs database, the WHO facilitates the exchange of safety information among the countries, fostering the collaborative approach to identifying and addressing the emergency safety concerns. In the recent years, the technological advancements have transformed pharmacovigilance with the integration of the artificial intelligence, that is AI, and big data analytics. These tools enable more efficient signal detection and data analysis, allowing for a faster response for emerging safety issues. Furthermore, increased patient engagement and utilization of the real world evidence contribute to a more comprehensive understanding of the drug safety. In conclusion, the pharmacovigilance is a dynamic and essential discipline that safeguards public health by monitoring and managing the risk associated with the pharmaceutical products. Through the collaborative efforts involving healthcare professionals, regulatory agencies, pharmaceutical companies, and patients, the pharmacovigilance strives to ensure that the benefits of medications and outweigh their potential risk, thereby fostering a safer and more effective healthcare landscape. Thank you.